That's a lot of work, isn't it?
See you later.
Oh,
You're all right,
I'm
you're all
sorry,
right.
I've got to follow the boss.
Oh, you're all right. It's an old train.
thought that would have let it.
There's one here too.
I know. Oh, she's not bad looking, huh?
Storage compartments.
Flying Scotsman.
Have you?
It's your old lantern,
Yeah.
your lunchbox, your metal lunchbox, your metal briefcase.
Yep.
Don't make them like that anymore. You've got your other little lamps. Look, Thomas, the tank engine. Oh, I didn't know he was a tank engine. What do they call him? The Zigzag Railway with Thomas hooked. Road, New South Wales, eh? They actually did make a Thomas train.
Yeah.
A small train ran in the gold town of Woollera in Victoria. The Red Rattler, Boulder, Western Australia. This is the the Bawley Hooly Sugar Train, Mossman, Queensland. That's Thomas.
Yep.
The steam train that runs from Hobart to Bushy Park, Tasmania. He's going backwards. But Thomas is pretty cool.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And this one must be James. Puffing Billy leaves a Bigelow Belgrave station in the Dandenongs, Victoria. And this one here is The Great Train Journeys of Australia. The D17 loco that used to run from Brisbane to Cairns. Can you do all that? All the silverware.
Oh yeah.
It's probably made out of actual silver.
Yeah. Nice. Very good.
And there's the clothes that they used to wear, yeah.
Yep.
An old train.
Oh, I didn't see them.
Right there. And that one.
Yeah. Watch.
The Flying Scotsman.
Alright. Yeah.
QR. Queensland Rail. Crockery. Crockery from the Queensland Railway refreshment rooms. Railway jacket buttons.
I got one of them at home.
You got buttons?
No, one of these.
You actually see what it says. It says Queensland Railways on there.
Alright.
But you can't really read it without.
No.
You can read it on the phone.
Oh yeah,
Queensland
Queensland.
Railways. Yeah. They're pretty tiny.
They are. And
Uh,
let's see here. So that's pretty cool. Oh. I got one of these here.
crowbar. They didn't just use crowbars for the railway, but they used them everywhere.
Yeah.
Chipping apart rocks. Look at the fancy door. You have a briefcase up the top on the train.
Yep.
Do not touch woodworking planes for carriage woodwork.
Oh yeah.
At least 100 years old.
I reckon. That's the plane, the two planes.
Oh, we can, Daddy.
They don't make woodworks like they used to. Look how much, they must have used so much lacquer on them.
Mm-hmm.
Or is this red cedar or something?
Yeah. So the little medals up there.
Train staff hands. Oh yeah. Here's Queensland Rail. all the QR trains. We've got an old steam train. The C-17 class locomotive. I think we are going on the C-16 class today. The green one. And we got that picture up there of all the old locomotives.
No, all the lights. Different lights.
We got little letters. Who knows what they say?
Is this when you're doing COVID and stuff that only a certain amount of people?
Cylinder air release. Ipswich Railway
Look
work.
at all the silverware they would have served, and this would have been the dying carpet.
And you got this side
Yeah.
with like, what's in there? A cup?
See, these are luggage racks with
That's actually like a beer bottle or something. Yeah.
that would have been the uniform for a lady.
Do you reckon?
Probably
Got the train.
canteen part of the train, I imagine.
What's this thing?
This is a lamp.
Yep, that's what the guards.
It looks like a train.
It could be.
And that's a
Yeah, there it is.
Different signal lamps.
Yeah, back
That's that
wheel.
little thing there.
That's a wheel.
Yeah.
And another one, which is
Then they got a camera.
Yep. An old camera.
So you say, excuse me, you just want to pass through.
You're
Oh,
alright.
look.
Well, look, I'm going to stop you on
Look,
this.
look.
What do you think it says?
Yeah, my body.
It's a red light and a green light. Maybe it's a stop one. A stop light.
You go.
An ambulance register.
Oh, I found the telephone.
Instructions.
I found the telephone.
Big one. That's actually relative. That's a very new telephone. That would have been, in the late 90s, I reckon. That one.
I think this
Maybe
is
early
an
2000s.
oven.
Nice.
I think this is an oven.
I got one of them too.
Oh, binoculars. You reckon?
Okay, but one and two.
Yeah.
Got a mobile radio. I mean, what's it
Actually,
called?
no, I think they're different.
A
little
cell
signal-
phone.
Cell phone.
One of the first cell phones. Big heavy brick.
How much one?
Actually, no.
About 15 minutes.
That's a little bit lighter than a car battery.
Not too bad.
I didn't see them.
They're all the
And all the jacks, the old jacks.
axle box covers.
Oh, golly.
The Australian Death Adder.
Yeah.
A small wooden cylinder on the right is a snake. Bike kit to Queensland Railway workers. This. Whenever the kit contained a scalpel or knife, I think it was to like cut into the bite area.
It's one of the most deadliest things on earth.
Yeah, the Death Adder. I'd say a lot of people, even with their snake, that's the kit there from the pictures. So you're supposed to dig into where the snake bit and rip it out, but I think a lot of people probably would have died either way.
Yeah, Inglewood there.
This looks like binoculars or something, yeah? Is it?
Could be.
Old time.
You
It
sat
can't be
down,
binoculars.
get eggs out of the pan, so he put his hand under this chook.
You got
Yeah.
bitten?
Yeah. He died before he got to the hospital.
An old radio.
Yeah.
This red box is an old radio, and we've even got
Us too.
4BK, 4BH. They actually named the radio stations on the dials, eh?
Uh-huh.
And that's pretty neat.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it has any FM. It would be all AM. Or what's the one before AM? C. What is it? A Ferris. Terrace. Ferris radio.
Oh, there's two of them. No, that's a light.
That's a light. That's
yeah,
a red light.
red light.
What's this thing, my Bob?
I don't know what that is.
Interesting.
Yeah.
A lot of interesting parts to a steam train. Like,
Oh, yeah.
you don't know, you've got all your pressure gauges and stuff. It looks like a... Is it wood?
Yeah. Wood.
Don't know. You got your little jug boiler on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
And here's where your wash bowl
Yeah.
can stand. You wash your hand in there, you probably spit in there and all this other stuff. Because they were yuck back then. But you've got the cabinet where you put all your
Yeah. Looks like it, doesn't it?
band-aids and stuff in.
Wait a minute,
It's
Lila.
nice and shiny, it's steel.
See this, Lila?
Got your QR shirts.
Here.
Little,
Well, used to be in there and they put the kettle on the top.
guessing,
Let the
is that,
room all
is, that
same
a,
time.
is that where you put your tools, or is that you lift it up and do a dump?
First one,
Switches.
You move.
this mobile phone.
Do not cross.
School again.
You gotta take your time going through all this, and then you high voltage wires.
Scales.
Yeah, scales, you reckon?
Yeah, the scales.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. It's a,
There's a radio. There's a speaker.
oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough.
So, speak. Oh, so it's probably the microphone for the train. Power on, power off. Still make click noises. Ring, ring, ring. Night alarm. So it was probably like a
They made good ports when they, in those days.
They made good hats back then too. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Probably shouldn't touch it actually.
Oh, that one's working.
No, that's new. That's all new stuff. That one,
Yeah, it's working.
that's it. That's only in the last 10, 15, 20 years.
Oh, yeah. That's switched on there.
No, this train was pulling a lot of wagons.
Oh, no. See, a good map.
Alright, I think we've seen everything to see on this carriage.
Yeah. Well, that's it.
They're pretty big inside, they hold a lot of stuff.